Hello, good morning to our instructor, Ms. Shakira. Today our group will present SEL Week 7. We will discuss about the
picture that we recommend.
Yeah.
So now we'll start our discussion.
Okay.
So for me, forgot to introduce ourselves. So my name is Kai from Care 15.
My name is Taikashin, also from Care 15.
I'm Nurfatin Ashila bin Ibrahim from Kosas.
I'm Nora Shikim from K6.
Okay, so we start our discussion now. Okay, so
What image you
this is the image that I recommend, and as you see, there's two shadow cuts of people. So one is at the middle, the small one, and the one is at the back, the giant one. And this picture, they are also stated Incredible Hulk. So means at the back, the black shadow is represent the Hulk, the giant. So what I know from this picture is that, what I think from this picture is that I feel that everyone, which is the middle one, the smaller one, have a giant inside our heart, in ourselves. So it represents the fear, the thing that we need to overcome in our life. So this is what I think about what is this picture telling us. So as you see that using the color black and white, and we can also know that the black also normally means that something is very emotion, something very horrible, and it also represents fear. That's what I think for the picture. So is there anything you want to ask?
I don't think so. I want to ask anything.
And also it suits the caption that state Incredible Hulk. So in order that is fear, we also can change our fear into motivation to overcome what we are afraid of. Yeah. So next one to share.
Okay. I choose the picture. From the picture I choose, in this picture I think that more further you go through to the future, the more risky, more challenging that you need to overcome too.
So you means the further when we growing out, the further we go, and there's many things, there's many challenges that we are need to face.
In this picture also show that we can overcome our fear. We struggle to get out from the box. It's not easier that we think. Even we have a ladder, it's not easy. You can
Climb.
You can climb the ladder as easy as the picture show. Even the ladder is
The shape is not.
the shape is not straight.
Yeah, it's bent.
It's bad.
Okay.
Me or you?
I choose
You first lah.
I
This one
choose
also the same one. Also the same one. The tiger.
I choose also the same image with Ashkin, but I have different opinion with Ashkin. For me, this image show the situation in a dark place with stairs. For me, it show where there is a will, there is a way. Whenever we face a problem, a big problem, we have chance. We have the way to solve this problem. for me, the dark place show we have show the problem, the fear, and the stairs is about way to solve the problem. That's all for me. You?
My picture is this one. That one. I think it's represent the silence is golden like that. Cause what we talk is our words are powerful, right? We can change someone's minds, and maybe our words also can hurt people. So I think we should careful with our words. Cause once we say it, we only can be forgive, but cannot be forgotten. That the people that we hurt, they won't forget. They forgot what we say before. They only can forgive us. So in my opinion, we should careful with our words. And so this picture, I choose it because I think it's good to say nothing better than saying nonsense like this. Then got passion.
Bising ah.
In your opinion, why this picture?
This one my picture. Okay, one.
What do you think about the art?
I think its craving is very good. Like, don't know.
It's creative.
It just attract my view.
What do you mean? Why there's a half place?
Because maybe it has been hurted by someone, then she know from there that words is very powerful to hurt people. So she just want to tell us that don't hurt people by talking nonsense, talking something you just want to talk. Talk nonsense like that.
I think in that picture that show that he don't want to listen to anyone, just keep silent for himself because maybe he been hurt by someone, you know.
Maybe.
Then
But-
just shut up.
Not don't want listen to other. Just he don't want to speak up her opinion, his opinion. You know, I think.
Why?
Might be hurt. It
Cause the word is powerful.
might hurt someone else with the word.
Is the word.
So
The word is
he
strong.
rather hurt himself also.
Don't want hurt people. Silent is good, you know.
Any question?
Okay, so I want to ask about the ladder. So, why do you think there's, I mean, the ladder should be land on a land, means on the ground lah. But in this picture, there's only hang halfway.
For me, because I'm an athlete. Even when my first start to become an athlete, I need to start from zero. That's mean that if you want something, you need to work hard. It doesn't mean ladder need to go to the ground and you will go out easily. If this picture show that you need to work harder. If you want that, you need to work harder. You need to think other else how to get that ladder, how to get out from the box. This picture is for me lah.
Okay, for me.
Yeah.
The
Same
same
picture.
question. For me, why the ladder is not stand on the ground? For me, I think when in my opinion, when we have problem, we cannot solve the problem easily. We must find the way. So the way is not coming easily. That's for me.
Do you all have any question about my picture?
I want to ask Kai.
Yes.
Why it show Incredible Hulk? Why don't other
Emotion.
another
Oh,
emotion? What do you in your
instead, because when we say Hulk, we can say Incredible Hulk nowadays. Everyone know what
why
is
don't
Hulk.
Superman? Superman also.
Okay, because Superman is not, I mean, he's not a human being, right? Because the story of Hulk is he infected by gamma ray, but he didn't want this happen to him, and when he get angry, then he will turn into Hulk. So this is not he want at the first place. He don't want to get infected by gamma ray. He don't want to get angry when he turn Hulk. This is not he want, but in life we need to overcome. There's many things we don't want, but it happened on us. So this is how we need to go and figure out how to overcome the fear in ourselves and also the obstacle that we face. So they use the word Incredible Hulk is also that can create the sense that everyone should agree also to Hulk, because Hulk is very well known, also very popular, this name. So it's very can touch other people heart also by the word. So instead of using others superhero name, they're using Incredible Hulk. So instead of meaning, we talk about how do you think this piece of art, I mean, instead of drawing and the color, the tone,
Oh, the color.
yeah,
I think this is illusion.
the leather one, the leather one.
I think
So,
this picture is illusion art, because for me it looks like real. The leather becomes smaller and smaller, just in one paper, but it show like you in a box and it's high enough to climb. Yeah.
For me, the color used by the
watercolor.
Oil pen. The color choose by the pelukis apa? Artist. The color choose by the artist is suitable in my opinion. It's suitable because it use dark color. It show whether we have another problem, any problem, we can overcome the problem. With the leather, whenever the leather is not the shape is not straight I think it show the shape is show that we must go through the way, not the straight way. The many challenges. Yes, that's my opinion.
So about the silent is so
This one I don't think got color.
I
This
think
is
it's not drawing because
not
it's
drawing, it's just a curving.
curving.
So
What do you think he made of?
I made a material. I think it's like something like the one hard.
Plaster.
No, plaster. Like what?
Rock.
No.
Crack. Crack. The one crack. What is?
Okay. I think my
Your image.
I think my picture is it's very common. It's pop up. So it's like poster form. That is very normal, using only two colors tone, which is white and black. So it bring out different the different and different meaning for two two parts of the color. So, so now everyone has shared their picture. So I think every picture has their special and has their unique part, that because everyone have different opinion on their picture, as different people may look at the same picture as different way, different view. So everyone have their opinion. So and the picture is bring different message to everyone. So so today we conclude here. So we'll end our discussion here. So that's it.
That's it.
That's it. Bye bye.
Bye.